Hey guys, Dario here from Spotahome. We're with the landlord and we're about to show you a two-bedroom apartment. So this is the front door, and once you come in, you'll be in a hallway. To the left, as you can see there, we have wardrobe with the mirrors, and then this is the whole corridor, which will lead into a few rooms. To the left here, the first room you'll have is the kitchen, and it comes equipped in terms of appliances. As you can see there, we have an oven. There is the induction hob and the extractor fan on top. We have the sink, and on this side here, you have a lot of storage space with all the cupboards. There's the fridge, and there is the freezer, and we have also the microwave right there to the side. So let's we have a veranda balcony, which you have a big window facing the patio. But since we are on the top floor on the fifth floor, it's also basically just facing the sky. And today it's very sunny, so as you can see, plenty of natural light is coming in from the great. Going back to the corridor, if you'll just go towards the living room, which you'll see at the end of the corridor, the next room here is the bathroom, and this was recently renovated as the hall flat, apart from the kitchen. But here you have a general view. So to the left there is a shower, and you have basically just the shower to the left, and on the right we have two sinks with the mirror on for each sink, and we have a couple doors as well. There we have the washing machine in the corner, and to the right there is the toilet. Perfect. Great. Then we have the living room, and we have like a big and nice sitting area here with the sofa. There is also a little coffee table right in front of it, and the TV, so you can just relax, sit back, and watch a film or one of your series with the smart television. Window is right on the side with the you have the curtains as well, the blinds. In this case, the view is different. It's facing the other side, and again, very sunny, so plenty of light coming in. And we also have a dining area in the living room, which is right here, and it's just basically the table with few chairs. There are the lamps on top, and a nice picture just to the on the wall right there. Perfect. And from here you can go into the bedrooms. This is one of them, and here we have a double bed, and on each side there is a nightstand. Those little shelves you see. We have the window there, which is facing the veranda, which you made before, and then you have the a little chest of drawers right there. There's the laundry bag, a wardrobe with a mirror, and there's also the desk. So everything is basically here. There you go. This is the desk. Perfect. And last but not least, we have the let's say main bedroom, the big one. So here again, you have a double bed, and in this case, you have two little bedside tables. Again, one on the right and one on the left. There is the desk with the chair and the little shelf on top, just like the bedroom. You have a wardrobe, which is in this case is a little bigger. There, the light here actually also has a fan, and in the other room as well. We forgot to mention that. And then you'll have a huge chest of drawers here. As you can see, it's pretty big. So don't worry about your clothes; they all fit in there. Perfect. And that's pretty much it for the apartment, guys. Thanks for watching.